What's going on, my people? Cooking under £10, okay? Turn all of this right here into something delicious. This is the Aldi budget. Rice, cauliflower cheese, and we're gonna go chicken. This is cooking on a budget right now. Put that joint in there. Mix it. That's what we're going under £10 budget. Cauliflower and broccoli right there. Butter. They call it a roux, right? One big teaspoon of flour. Can you see it? That's a roux. Salt in. Preferably try to put warm milk, not cold. Oil it, fresh veg. Thick sauce. Oh, that's thick. I put a little bit of onion into my bechamel because cheese and onion is just a match made in heaven. I love that. I think the rice is good.